Avalanche is going to be on our left. Thickest Thieves on our right. Looks like Hamill playing the back center there for Avalanche. Looks like Brayden. Nope, not Brayden up in the center. Brayden's over here on the snake side then for Avalanche. Thickest Thieves on the right. Going to lose their snake corner player. And lose another player off the Dorito side. Brayden makes a fill out into the, and there's going to be a concession. All right. Looks like Thickest Thieves on our left, Avalanche on our right. Ooh, there's going to be a little showdown here in the center 50. Two bodies coming off. See if Hamill recognizes this. And he's going to come around, maybe get him. Oh, no. Oh, Hamill's going to get taken out. Oh, two bodies coming off. Another body, but I don't think it's going to be enough. And that's going to do it for that one. All right, on our left we have Midwest Boom. On the right we have Avalanche PB. Avalanche is kind of... Oh, another Avalanche player walking off. Boom's trying to figure out where he's at in the snake. I think they have an idea, but they haven't really said too much. Three, for sure, three Boom players left alive. Avalanche going to fill out into the snake corner. And Boom's doing a pretty good job hiding right now from the snake player. They're kind of just waiting for him to get further up the field to hopefully put a couple more guns on him. Let's see what happens here. Avalanche player just needs to slow down. Doesn't have to over-engage too much. Oh, and then he makes a move. Good move there by the Avalanche player. Oh, yep. And there it goes. First point's going to go to Avalanche. All right, on our left, we're going to have Avalanche. On our right, we're going to have Midwest Boom. Boom losing a player off the break. Losing another one. Avalanche losing a player too. Avalanche gonna go. He's gonna try and go, but he got clipped going up there. So Boom's gonna get clipped trying to get up into that 50 snake. But Avalanche also loses a player as well. A lot of back and forth action going on right now. Oh, and Hamill's going to get clipped out of the Dorito corner. Boom's going to lose their center tower player. I can't tell if there's a one-on. Yep, one-on-one. There's a Dorito 3 player over there for Boom. Now, now 50 Dorito. Avalanche player knows what he's doing. He's going to go try and get closer to the button. Boom player's going to make... I thought he was going to make a mad dash for it there for a second. But he's more focused on playing the one-on-one. Avalanche player back there in their snake corner. And he's going to get it. And he does. All right, on our left, you are going to see Boom. Avalanche on your right. Looks like both teams 5 alive. Avalanche is only got to score one more point to end this game. And Boom's going to lose one out of the center. But Avalanche is going to lose their snake corner. And Boom's going to lose another one out of this back center. Boom fills the snake. team down to their last 3 bodies. They have a body here in the snake wing, the back center, and what looks to be Dorito 1. And then Avalanche has a player over there in the Dorito side brick, the center 50 brick, and here in the S1. Boom's going to lose their back center player. Oh, and Avalanche is going to lose their snake player now. But Boom's also going to lose their Dorito player, making this a 3-on-1 in favor of Avalanche. Yep. And that was the last player for Boom, and so this should do that. They go hit the button.
Point approved. Game finished.
We've had a lot of one-on-ones.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yep. It's kind of a unique thing we do here in the EXL.
Shout out to Brayden who lost his.
All right, on our left, you are going to see OKC Mutiny. Mutiny's going to lose 1 off the break. Oh, I don't know. Ref running in, check the Dorito 1 for OKC Mutiny.
Man, some of these people are going to get pretty sunburned today wearing those bro tanks.
Yeah, they are. They are. Like I said earlier, what? Someone's gonna come run through. Oh. There was almost a banana peel right there.
What happened to the other guy too when he first went there?
Yeah.
Turf would just be slippery right there.
I believe it. Oh, and he's gonna get picked up. But another player comes off for Avalanche.
Yep. That's a 1-on-3. Oh, we got one.
And here comes Avalanche. And there's gonna be a concession.
Oh, really? He shoots one and they can see? Weird. Okay.
All right, on our left is OKC Mutiny. No, sorry, right is OKC Mutiny, and on our left is Avalanche. Ref running in to go check a player.
Ooh, got him a penalty.
Yep, he did get a minor. Yep, he did. Player for OKC.
It was a 3-on. Oh, OKC just let another guy too.
Yeah, so now it's a 3-on-3.
Was it a 3? Yes, it was a gun Trace on trace. Oh, chaos in these points.
It has been all day. Like, you think that one side has the advantage, and all of a sudden people just start dropping. It's crazy.
I love to see it. You got a broken light out there.
I know. Someone shot the film off of it.
Who the F off? So I was repping the 3 when I was watching those things getting shot. I'm like, how?
Yeah. Sometimes it ricochets off a bunker,
It was not that.
and sometimes people just shoot them. It's crazy. They're 13, 14 foot suspended in the air, and they're still getting shot.
It's like when the old X, there was like always hits the top of it. You're
Yeah.
Like, how the hell?
And there's going to be a towel.
2 and 4 minutes left on that game.
Yep. All right.
Oh.
All right, I'll take care of it.
They tend to.
No. Because he'll put tape on it, and that tape don't come off. So I'm just going to glue it real quick. OKC's going to lose.
I like doubling up a snake there. It seems to be pretty good as long as you live.
Yep.
But snake guy is just now chopping everybody up for the other team.
Yep.
Go, 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 go. Ooh. I think, yep, he's up. Okay, so you getting a little bored now. 2:38 left. Plenty of time.
All right, we are back. Bodies coming off for both teams. And there's going to be a concession. All right, we're going to have OKC here on our left, Avalanche on our right. Oh, teams are losing people right and left. Both players are getting out. Oh my goodness, so much chaos going on in the field. After all this dust settles, let's see what. So 2 players walking off for Avalanche. So that makes 3. So 3 on 3, I believe. And player for Avalanche out of the back center is going to get eliminated. But player for the snake corner for OKC is going to get eliminated. And player for another player is eliminated. So much chaos going on right now. It's a one-on-one. All Brayden has to do is just hold this off. He doesn't even need to do anything right now. Just keep dumping paint at the OKC player. And he's gonna get it. All right, that's going to take care of that, guys. We'll be right back. Avalanche on our left, Mutiny on our right. Mutiny taking the snake on break. Avalanche in the snake as well. OKC's going to lose their snake guy. OKC losing another body. Avalanche is they still 5 alive, Adam?
I believe so.
Okay. I see 4, but I just don't see the 5th. I just didn't know where if he's in the Dorito somewhere. OKC making a move out to that Dorito 3.
But losing another body, so 2 on at least 4.
Yep. Oh, they're going to let him fill out to the snake corner, and there's going to be a concession.
Hamill shot him.
Oh, Hamill. All right, OKC on our left. Avalanche on our right. OKC losing a body out of that center juice box there. And there's going to be a concession there. Avalanche here on. Is it right or left, Adam? Left. Oh, wow.
But Mutiny just got a big old penalty.
Yep.
Looks like a minor, but that guy in the center 50 walked out at the same time. So.
Yep.
That or the guy in the center 50 spun on him.
No.
Can't really tell.
It was a hot.
See how this one goes. Slows down quite a bit this
Mhm.
time.
Okay. Check the Wi-Fi.
I don't know. That's yours. Sorry. Which one? that pit right there. I don't know what happened. All right, should have Interns on your left, Avalanche on your right. Looks like Avalanche sitting in the Dorito 1, that juice box. Is that it, Adam?
I know they lost their home, but I don't know about anybody else.
Oh no, also the Dorito 1. Here comes Interns moving up into that center brick of the field and into the juice box. They're also in the Dorito 1 in this snake wedge.
They're shooting at the Dorito 4 like there's somebody there, but I don't see him.
Well,
Nope.
Avalanche is going to towel that one, giving the point to the Interns. 7. Okay, you have Avalanche PB there on your left, and on your right, you're going to have the Interns. It's like Avalanche PB going to push that center of the field. Oh, there's a minor player in the, it looked like the snake insert, but 3 players going to die. That center guy's going to die at the same time. It's not what Avalanche needed. Plenty of time left. Even if you lose the point, they have plenty of time to bring it back.
They still have Hamel. Hamel and Seth mirrored up.
Well, there they are. They're going to shoot one body for the Interns. It's going to leave this snake side open. It's going to looks like Hamel shooting this way for Avalanche PB, kind of keeping anybody from filling out to the snake side. Don't know if he really realized. He probably does because there's nobody behind him shooting, but he probably realizes he lost those guys in the back.
Oh, God.
Oh, there's that sun. Another player going to die for the Interns. But there's the Dorito player for Avalanche going to get shot. What was that? Yeah, Avalanche PB going to towel it. And he said, darn it! That's going to get...
Hamel taking the walk.
Oh, did he? Straight off the break. Hamel going to get shot. Was he in the pin?
He was.
Yeah, pin's tricky, man. So that's going to be 5-on-4 in favor of the Interns. Avalanche going to have to work somebody out of their spot. It looks like Interns just sit. Oh, but you ain't going to do it that way. They're going to lose the juice box. That's going to leave them with 3 bodies. All on, well, no, those back 3. They're in the Dorito 1, the back center, and the snake insert. Interns would be smart to wait out the time a little bit here, or run it out. They did lose. It looks like they did. Is that one guy, or is that a walking out the back? It is. I'm just making sure it's not a camera guy. Yeah, it looks like one. They did lose one player. Yeah, run the time down, man. Shoot the gaps. Don't let the Avalanche players move. Avalanche is in the snake 1 though now. Ooh, Interns making bumps all the way out here to that snake wedge. Play over the top, man. Worry about playing over the top of that bunker. You're giving yourself to a couple other bodies. Looks like he's going to get away with it, though.
Avalanche too scared to make a move right now.
Yeah, ain't nothing happening, is there? Which, I mean, that's what the Interns should be doing. Just wear out the time.
They did clip.
No, he Which one are you looking at? Oh, they did shoot the Dorito guy. Avalanche shot the Interns player over there. What's in? I can't see because of the sun either. Interns have the juice box, the snake wedge. Should have another body, right?
That's what I thought, but I can't.
Unless they lost him early and we didn't notice, which is very likely. Oh, playing over the top. What to tell you, man?
So I believe it's a
Yeah, you
1
got-
on 2 now? No, 1 on 3.
Oh, he's going to try to make this run all the way out here. Good. Well, he made it.
That's pretty smart. He knows what to do. And he gets 1.
Yeah, there's the home.
Oh, he's just gonna push it.
Yeah, he's going to push.
Dose?
He just got the Dorito player. That's going to leave just the snake guy.
Wow.
Is it down to a one-on-one? Is that timer?
That's the bag of sand.
Oh, he's going to try to get it over the top.
Oh no, there is one more intern player.
Oh, there is. Okay, so it all was. You know, he could have got another shot on him.
Ooh, did he get shot?
No, he got called clean. He's fine. He's gonna. Yeah, don't let the other guy. Oh, he shot the other guy. It's a one-on-one.
Oh, he just got clipped in the hop. Yep.
There he goes.
Seth with some help pulled it out.
Yeah, that the player in Interns that was playing the other side of the field. No reason to die in that at all.
50 Dorito. That's why I couldn't see him.
Yeah, it's hard to see on this from all the way over there. But good for Seth. Gonna get him a point. Put him up 3-0. I don't know why Avalanche hasn't conceded. You need all the time you can get.
It's mercy rule. They can't. Concede.
Oh, it is mercy. My bad. I don't know what I'm doing. I keep on thinking it's D4. Because Seth's ranked D4. I mean, check yourself. Let's not stand out in the heat. There you go.
I think Seth plays every single point too.
Did he?
He plays that juice box at every point.
Good for him. Good day.
A lot of cheering from the interns.
All right, we are back for finals. Playing for third and fourth is you got KC Complex here on our left, Avalanche on our right. Avalanche taking the center 50 on the break. They're going to, I don't know if they saw that guy. Oh my gosh, are they?
Is he pulling that guy or not? Okay. Oh.
Oh.
That was weird.
Oh, okay.
I thought he was gonna pull a minor on that guy. But
Yeah,
it was the
okay.
first minor.
I didn't understand that, but okay. Yeah, when get a ton of people going in and out that can't keep up. That one here. Nope, this one. Yep.
Apparently it's still 5 alive. Pressing the issue, shooting the home.
Yep.
Kansas City acting like they just got
They're
lost a lot of steam.
yeah, they lost a ton of steam.
Okay. Ooh. Both teams taking some big bites. Except for Complex losing 1. Possibly 2. Bubba's checking him right now. Ooh, Bubba. Found a hopper hit, playing on, minor penalty on the snake insert.
So that would be on Complex.
Yep. So Complex are down 3, at least. Come on, the other guy. I'm dead. I don't. Yep. Avalanche just not letting them take an inch.
That's right, Phil.
It's in the tree.
No, in between the two containers, underneath the table. If not, ask Chris where it is.
Thieves. Point approved.
All right, Avalanche on our left, Complex on our right. Avalanche is going to lose their snake corner player.
Ooh, Kansas City getting a minor? Yep.
I wonder who that was on.
It was on their Dorito player.
Another Avalanche player walking off the field.
Looks like Kansas City might have his back up.
Mm-hmm. They have good field position right now, too. It looks like Gavin died out of the center. Might just leave the two KC Complex kids over here. There's like Matt and Dom. He's going to get him. Dominic here, trying to battle with that juice box.
Yep, and his other player can't really help him because there's too much stuff in the way.
You're so gross. Tua.
Watch it.
You're weird.
Oh man, this actually might work out.
This might really work out. We're going to see if this works.
I think Canton this season though.
Yeah.
Oh, wait till he does. You can see his shadow. Those shadows are long. He probably just read that shadow. All he has to do is
Yeah, only under 30 seconds. Oh, I hope Matt didn't just give away his pack. Uh-oh. Is it a 2-on-1 against Hamill?
I thought there was a D1 player for Avalanche as well.
Hamill's going to die.
Yeah, there's a D1. He's just hiding smartly, making him work for it. And game over. So, congratulations to Avalanche for third place.